Lamborghini Lanzador, the first electric car from Lamborghini. Lamborghini is stepping into the world of electric vehicles, and the Lanzador concept gives us a glimpse of what we can expect from their debut. This is just a preview of what the company will unveil in 2028. The concept showcased in Monterey is described as a high-clearance crossover. But it's not just a convenient way to describe it. In fact, the Lanzador is a fusion of Lamborghini's legendary models, drawing inspiration from the Murcielago and Countach. Lamborghini Lanzador. The driver's seat is taken from the Huracan, and the design of the dashboard and center console is reminiscent of a spacecraft. The cabin is environmentally conscious, with many materials sourced and crafted in Italy using recycled elements, including 3D printed carbon fiber and water-based finishes. While Lamborghini hasn't disclosed many details about the concept's transmission, we know that the Lanzador is equipped with all-wheel drive, powered by 2 motors that drive each pair of wheels. It also features a new dynamic control system that adapts the car's dynamics to the individual driver using sophisticated algorithms. Lamborghini plans to electrify its vehicle lineup by 2024, but does not currently have plans to fully transition to electric vehicle. The Lanzador will be produced at the factory in Sant'Agata Bolognese, and the production facility will be expanded to increase output. However, the arrival of the Lanzador is expected in 2028, making it a competitor to the electric model Ferrari plans to release in approximately 3 years. The full benefits of the Lanzador will only be understood with time.